it's Kai. And for my birthday, I got 2 different Michael's cards. And you know what that means? We're going to Michael's. Alright, let me put on my mask. P.S. Always wear a mask in public. Shiny! See? I have snails. Oh yes. I have almost every other one. These sticker books in the series, except for probably a few of these, and this is one of them. So, yep, I'm gonna get this. Usually I buy anything Baby Yoda, but this is just too ugly. And look at these cheapy markers. I'm gonna make a Halloween costume for one of my penguin stuffed animals. So, yep, I'll need this.
And Aladdin. Have vest like Aladdin.
Are these kids excited or are they evil? I just can't decide.
We were meant to be. I feel it in my soul. Feel it in my soul.
Mirror on your stand. Where are all the gnomes in this land? I have an idea for this yarn, so this is a little much. Whatever. Oh, this is a lot of stuff. Wow, that was a great trip, and it's my favorite place ever. Let's take a look at everything I've made. Remember the gems? This is the yarn. I haven't used it yet, sadly. Oh, it's blue, so sadly. Pun intended, I guess. But it fits my chin, and it's not as snugly. Now, let's address the house. There's a little bit of work to do around this gnome and the spots on the back. Yeah. But other than that, it's perfect. Oh, a gnome could actually live in there.
Now.
This is the birdhouse. It's not quite finished. Or started. So I got a lot of work to do. I better go. What's up, Papa? You want to say something?
If you enjoy video, remember to like and subscribe.
I think Bob's been watching way too much YouTube.